Gen Z spokesperson in Kenya. Karibu sana bro.
Asante. Yeah.
Hii mambo ya Sifuna imekupelekaje kama spokesperson?
Hii mambo ya Sifuna imetufurahisha na pia imetukasirisha. Naweza sema furaha tuko nayo ni finally we now have a formidable force to remove President William Ruto in 2027. Ametusaidia sana. By removing Sifuna, now the Kenyan people have a formidable force to kusafirisha William Samoei Ruto kuenda nyumbani pale Sogoi 2027. And we are disappointed by the fact that Oburu Odinga has betrayed his own brother just 3 months after the death of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. It is absolutely unfortunate that Oburu Odinga has betrayed the cause of the Kenyan people, of members of ODM party, and in totality, he has disappointed the nation. Yes.
By which means? Oburu Odinga may disappoint.
He has disappointed the nation because Sifuna was the voice of the Kenyan people. Whatever Sifuna was saying within the ODM party as a Secretary General was what the Kenyan people have been pleading with ODM to do. Sifuna has been speaking about the 10-point agenda. Sifuna has been speaking about the removal of extrajudicial killings in our country, about the corruption that is going on in our government systems. That is what Sifuna has been speaking about, and that was the voice of the Kenyan people. Now that the voice of the Kenyan people has been removed from ODM, then we as the Kenyan people are now going to embrace Edwin Sifuna and foster a formidable force to remove President William Samoei Ruto.
Currently, does it mean ODM is Sifuna and Sifuna is ODM?
Sifuna was Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. ODM was Baba Raila Amolo Odinga and Edwin Sifuna. The remains of ODM were with Sifuna. Now that they have removed Sifuna, ODM is done and dusted.
Now, court wamesimamisha staff ya remove Sifuna. What's the way forward now?
The way forward is this. First of all, on Sunday, we are going to Kitengela. We are going to make a very clear statement to the nation of where the ODM party members lie. The viewing of the masses that will be gathered there at Kitengela will show the country, will show the nation of where ODM lies. I want to tell the Kenyan people, Sunday I am welcoming everybody as a Gen Z spokesperson there at Kitengela. Na kila mtu akuje na shati imeandikwa sisi ndio Sifuna, so that we show these people that they have no people but they have an orange that has officially been buried.
Ukiangalia kama hii press ya asubuhi ya Sifuna, Babu Owino,
Yes.
Winnie Odinga,
James Orengo,
James Orengo.
Yes.
Inaonyesha nini kwa ODM sasa? Odinga family, it's like they are staying with Sifuna, then Oburu Odinga inakaa kivyake na squad yake.
Unajua, first of all, I would like to say this. You know, there was an appointment by the president a few weeks ago of Mama Ida Odinga as the permanent ambassador to the United Nations. So this was a convincing move to try and change the perception within the party. Na ulisikia Sifuna leo amesema, I know I am not bothered by being removed as the Secretary General because I know where the certificate of ODM is.
Iko wapi?
Certificate ya ODM iko na Mama Ida Odinga. So wale watu wanapiga sarakasi pale ndani ya chama cha ODM, Oburu Odinga, Juliet Mohamed na huyu Gladys Wanga, hao ni wamepotea. They are lost. There is nothing they are taking to President William Ruto because they don't even have the identity of ODM. They don't have. These people sabotaged ODM unconstitutionally. Wakati baba alikufa, when people are going to India, you did not see Junet going there. You did not see this Oburu Odinga going there. Why? Because they were scheming on how they can take over the party. But the reins and of the party of ODM lies with Mama Ida Odinga. That is why we are not worried. We are not worried of this removal as Secretary General.
Sala kwa wapi hapo kwa hii squad?
Salah is nobody. Who is Salah? Who is Okay Salah? Okay Salah has been known after Raila has died. Even the family of Raila Amolo Odinga has not identified. They don't know who Salah is. So if the family of Raila Odinga does not know Salah, how will the Kenyan people know Okay Salah? So uliona tulimfukuza pale KICC. He was trying to purport a certain move at ODM tainted with the yellow, sijui the funny picture of President William Ruto. That is just those are gimmicks, theatrics. That is nonsense.
In case Sifuna atoke kwa hiyo chama ya ODM,
Yes.
ataingia kwa chama gani, or what is the way forward for Sifuna?
Sifuna is going to form government in 2027 by a youthful move, youthful government. Likes of Babu Owino, Winnie Odinga, Caleb Amisi, the young Turks, they are going to form government in 2027. Watch this space and see.
Chama
Kenyans will know very soon. Waziri John Badi is a cabinet secretary in President William Samoei Ruto's government. And John Badi was a party official in ODM. He resigned as a party organ of ODM and departed to serve the country. But we are seeing a cabinet secretary who has forgotten his duties and obligations as a cabinet secretary. He is speaking about a party that he already resigned. So I don't know whatever his excitement is about Sifuna being removed. Because as far as I'm concerned, Sifuna is still the Secretary General of ODM party. So that is just, I want to inform the country. I know you're all aware about the statement that Babu Owino has just uttered this morning during the press conference of Edwin Sifuna. He has said that we have officially drawn the red line between those who want to sell ODM and those who will stand with the Kenyan people. Nataka niambie hawa watu kina Oburu Odinga, Gladys Wanga na Junet Mohamed. Baba Raila Amolo Odinga is no longer there. So ile sarakasi na vitimbi mnafanya, mtafukuzwa kwa hiyo chama ya ODM. Because we know where the certificate of ODM is. We know exactly where it stands. So nyinyi muendelee kupiga kelele, lakini Babu Owino, unajua Babu Owino ni kama watu wamesahau Babu Owino. Babu Owino siku hizi anasoma Biblia, ana hata scriptures. So I want to tell these people, you will remember Babu Owino. I want you to begin remembering of what Babu Owino can do. Because Babu Owino, as the Kenyan people, has the support of the youth of this country. Thank you very much. As the Gen Z spokesperson, I just want to echo my sentiments on a purported joke by a comedian by the name Felix Odor Jalas. Jalango, who is the member of parliament of Langata, has said that he wants to become the senator of Nairobi. You know, Felix Odor Jalango has forgotten his history of how he joined politics. Felix Odor Jalas started there at Churchill Show. Akatoka Churchill Show, akaingia kwa radio. Radio 47, Kiss 100. I want to I want to give you advice, Felix Odor Jalas. Kindly. Unajua umeogopa basi pale Langata. Sasa ati umedanganywa sasa ati unaweza kuwa senator wa Nairobi. Wewe sasa ubishana na Edwin Sifuna. Mimi ndo Sifuna, uwezane na Sifuna. Kama hii ODM imeshindwa kutoa Sifuna kama SG leo, koti imesimamisha. Sasa wewe ndio utashinda Sifuna hapa Nairobi. Mimi nataka nikwambie, I want to encourage you, start applying for jobs on these radio stations that you have been airing your sentiments early in the morning. End up join the radio presenters. But mambo ya kusema utakuwa senator Nairobi, that is a serious joke. You know, you're a comedian, so when you say something, we just take it as a joke. Yes, we just take everything you say as a joke.